Hands up, everybody. I know, where are your hands? Hands, that's right. Hands up. You in? Ready? Open and shut them. Open and shut them. Give a little clap and push them to lap. Mostly let them in all rest. We give thanks to God for breath. Our voices rise in song together as our daily prayer is said. Baruch atah Adonai Eloheinu melech haolam hamotzi lechem min haaretz. Amen. Yay! Good job, everybody.
I see Anona woke up for the picture.
Yes. Okay, here's Henry, and Anona, and Mackenzie, Avi, Santrez, Ewan,
No, leave the tape on there.
Oh, that's why hers was missing. She was the only one. I wonder if she tore it off one day.
No, the last couple
Oh,
of days.
really?
We were like, where did her cup go? And then I realized that there was like a little sticky